Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute bat. Draw the top of the head and the ears. Then draw the face. Draw the top of the wings. Finish the wings with a wavy zigzag line at the bottom of each wing. Draw the eyes, nose, and the mouth with a couple of fangs inside. Decorate the wings and ears with a few lines. Well done! Now you can draw a cute bat. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing.